Hi everyone, Juliana here. Today I'm making a very easy and delicious recipe which is also gluten-free. Coconut macaroons. It's a very simple recipe to make when you need a dessert or treats made quickly. It's also a very good option for people who need a gluten-free dessert. You just need coconut, condensed milk, egg whites, and any flavor you want to add. Today I'll show you lemon, plain with chocolate, and peanut butter and chocolate. So let's start with the lemon coconut macarons. Into a bowl, add 4 cups of shredded unsweetened coconut, 1 cup of condensed milk, a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla paste or extract, 1 lemon zest. Mix a little and add 4 tablespoons of lemon juice and mix everything until well combined. Into the mixing bowl, add 4 egg whites with a good pinch of salt and 1½ teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix it at first at medium speed until it gets foamy. And then bring it to high speed until you get stiff peaks. Add about 1/4 of the egg whites into the coconut mixture. Mix it well and then add all the rest and fold it in gently until well incorporated. Scoop it over a tray with parchment paper, leaving enough space in between to bake. Bake them for 7 to 10 minutes until they're lightly golden on the top and on the bottom. For the plain, you will be using the same method. Add 3 cups of coconut into a bowl with 1/2 cup of condensed milk. Add vanilla if you want for this one. I skipped it. And again, combine it with the beaten egg whites. I made a double recipe and divided it for the peanut butter flavor. Mix well and scoop over the tray. Bake for 7 to 10 minutes until they golden brown. For the peanut butter and chocolate flavor, add 3 cups of coconut into a bowl. Separately, mix 3/4 cup of condensed milk with 4 tablespoons of peanut butter very well. Add it to the coconut and mix until well combined. add the beaten whites and combine each as before. Scoop and bake them the same way. Get some tempered chocolate and dip the macaroons. Make sure to check out my video on how to temper chocolate in the description below. I used this rack at first, but I recommend to do just over the parchment paper. Just using your hands, dip the bottom of the macaroons into the chocolate. Place them on a tray with parchment paper and repeat with them all. And if you want to give each some extra chocolate on the top, it will be even better. Place them into the fridge until it sets. And repeat the same with the peanut butter ones. I like using condensed milk for this recipe because it gives more flavor and makes them more moist. And I don't need to say how much better condensed milk makes everything taste. I hope you liked this recipe and use it for your easy recipe days. Thank you so much for watching.